the dry ingredients. We're going to start off with a tablespoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano. I have combined a teaspoon of white pepper and a tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of caraway seed, a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have combined a tablespoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne, half a teaspoon of chili pepper, a teaspoon of granulated onion, and a tablespoon of salt. We'll mix these ingredients up, incorporate them, and this is our dry rub. For pernil, we are using a pork shoulder. This is about 4 pounds of pork shoulder. And we're going to keep the fat side. We're going to score it. This way it will roast beautifully and release all the juices. Next, I'm going to create cuts into the meat where we will insert garlic. I have inserted all of the garlic cloves into the meat, and now we're going to take our dry ingredients and cover the entire meat with it. Bowl, cover it with saran wrap, and let it refrigerate overnight. So I have preheated my Dutch oven for about 45 minutes in the actual pizza oven. I started the fire about an hour and a half ago because I needed to get some hot charcoal. Now I'm going to remove the lid. Please use your gloves. This gets very, very hot. You don't want to get burned. I'm going to remove the lid and put it in a safe place. Going to add oil to the bottom, and you can see it's very hot. Next, I'm going to add a cup of onions. This is a medium onion. And now I'm going to insert the marinated pernil with the scored side up. To that, I'm going to add a half a cup of lime juice, and fill the rest of the pot with water. I am also adding a little more of the seasoning I had left over. Now, I'll carefully cover it and place it into the oven. I have split the charcoal in two, so this way I have heat surrounding the Dutch oven at all times. Make sure that you place the Dutch oven not too far from the opening, so it's easy for you to pull out as necessary. And you can also utilize the small pot tool that comes with your oven. So now, after I've put the Dutch oven in, you close the lid, and you want to make sure that you're keeping it at 300 degrees for about 2.5, almost 3 hours. Let's check on the pernil. the soot covers the pot, so I don't recommend using any of your nice, expensive name brand pots. Black ones are the best. This way you're not feeling bad when you destroy them with soot. It's very important to keep checking on your pernil because you need to add water. It will disappear very quickly. It's different than your oven. So our pernil is ready, and I'm putting on some tortillas on a hot plate right here. Toast them up nice. Go. And now I'm going to pull it out. Very carefully again, this has been in there for almost 3 hours. Our fire is reduced to just hot coals and ashes, as you can see. Because it has been burning for 3 hours, now would be a great time to put in a pie if you like, or any kind of a muffin. You can use up that heat. And here is our pernil. It's nice and tender. I'm just going to take it off the bone. Juice, soak it up. And so now we'll assemble our pernil tacos. A little bit of the meat. And that juice is excellent with it. You won't need any kind of a salsa or any kind of a sauce. Go. Some tomatoes. This right here is a simple slaw with just lime juice, fresh pepper, a nice crunch of the slaw will give another texture to the taco. Topped off with some scallions and some cilantro. Serve it. Lime wedge. And there you go. Delicious pernil tacos. You can cook anything you like in this oven. Thank you for watching Ilfornino. This is our second video. Stay tuned for more. We'll love to have you back again.